Wow.
Hey, is this your yard? No?
No.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Hey, what's up, guys? The story I want to tell you today is a true story, but a very personal story for me. So here's my story. There are many first things that happen in life, and this story is one of the things I wish I had never went through. So the story begins like this. I was cruising home from work, just a typical work day in May. Hey man, look at the skies behind me. The skies was absolutely beautiful. So the only thing was on my mind was the Memorial Day weekend coming up in about a week. So I figured before I got home, I would just stop by the barbershop and it would just be a typical day. And right before I left work, I got a text from one of the fellas said he wanted to go for a ride, and I'm always down with that. So I told him as soon as I left the barbershop, I would hit him back up and we could find a meeting place. But then this happened. Alright, I better get back home. It's looking bad. It's turning dark with no signs. From nice and sunny to dark and cloudy.
What has caused this, I don't know if I've turned it up. Oh, that's what it was. I turned that up. We had to recalibrate everything.
Wow.
Hey, is this your yard? No?
No.
My mom got scared and she went through the thing.
Oh shucks. She okay?
Yeah, she's fine. I need to fix her yard.
What happened?
His mom got scared. I guess the tree was coming down and she swerved over there.
Oh, she didn't know about it.
No, she hit nobody. Wow.
I mean, that's it. Bad over this way. They said it was happening, but ain't no hell.
Trees down everywhere. What's the day today? The 16th? About 6:20. Look, we came and get out down the street. Look at that.
You was fixing to turn around?
Trees down everywhere. Live at 6. Tree blocking the street. Look at that. Oh. I mean, it started coming down. I was sitting in the barber chair. Lights went out. Me and my son was getting our hair cut. He finished it up with a battery operated. We couldn't pay him because the lights off. Trees down everywhere. It was coming down really hard, but now at least it stopped raining. Just drizzling. Pretty bad, y'all. It's pretty bad. All the lights are gone. Can you even turn on our street? Look this whole fence down, look. Good grief.
Well, they gotta go down the wrong side of the street.
I mean, the whole tree fell down in their backyard. Look at that. Oh, why Bree was screaming, look, his mailbox down. Mike mailbox.
That's Mike's house there.
Oh, that house right there. Look a yonder. Well, where this tree come from? Oh, it cut from up there, look. Look at Bree. Probably was scared of the Dunkin' dog. Just stayed up behind in the house. What? Probably. Trees down everywhere. We had a 100 miles an hour wind tornado to hit Houston, Texas yesterday. Trees down everywhere. I don't know if you can see it, it's just really bad. I may go out on the street just so you can see some of the damage. So we can't do anything. We have no power. So we're gonna do barbecue and eggs. We got it covered. Got the eggs on. There go, y'all. Can you smell it? Come get you some. Wherever you are, it ain't too far to Texas. You're welcome here. Looking here. Got some meat on the grill. Look at that. That's how we do it in Texas, y'all. Houston, Texas to be exact. Look at that joker smoking, boy. That's that old Smoky. I don't know if they sell them anywhere else, but you can get it in Texas. It's called an Old Smoky. Check it out. That joker smoking, baby. Let me show you what it look like. Look at that. Come get you some. Can you smell it? Hey, let me know. I'll save you some. Come get it. There she blows. Wow. Came down. You got it going. day after Labor Day. So I got a few things plugged in. There's the generator. Running off the propane. Hey, we back riding again, baby. A few days have passed and we're back to normal. Look, I want to thank y'all for all of your prayers and all of the positive comments. And thanks for watching it to the end. Later.